Massive news has just come out about Shiba Inu as Satoshi Kusama just spoke about a whale wallet that holds over $2.5 billion worth of Shiba Inu. So if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or you hold any SHIB tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. So what is the latest Shiba Inu coin news, and how will all of this affect the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the price boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out on any information. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 20th of November, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 2,452 units. SHIB's price is down 2% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.8 billion. The token also currently has a market cap of over $14.4 billion, ranking it as the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now let's get into today's video. Shiba Inu lead breaks silence on plan for SHIB ecosystem. Here's the details. Shiba Inu lead Satoshi Kusama recently addressed speculation surrounding the Shiba Inu ecosystem's future in response to growing curiosity from the SHIB community. The clarification follows Kusama's earlier hints about a full marketing plan aimed at elevating the project in the coming year. In a tweet earlier this week, Kusama stated that his full marketing plan for the rest of this year and next year had been approved by the powers that SHIB. The announcement sparked excitement and speculation within the Shiba Inu community, particularly regarding potential developments for BONE, one of the ecosystem's key tokens, and the Shibarium gas token. Kusama teased further details in his tweet. So, my full marketing plan for the end of and all of next year was finally approved by the powers that SHIB. Rest of this week we detail, then we woof. SHIBARMY, your fav exchange so they can hear the barks. This tweet sparked excitement and speculation among community members, with one suggesting that BONE might be listed on a major crypto exchange. The Shiba Inu community member stated, "I don't want to jump to conclusions, but it looks like BONE might be getting listed on a large exchange. I could be wrong though." Kusama responded to this speculation with a witty remark, "Proceeds to jump anyway. Lol. It's so sad to see the army jump to conclusions. My plan has to encompass not just BONE, but all aspects of what we have been working on, including SHIB, leash, treat, and all the technology. All aspects of Shiba Inu ecosystem." The clarification for Satoshi Kusama highlights the encompassing nature of the upcoming plans for the SHIB ecosystem, aiming to integrate and promote all its components cohesively. The Shiba Inu's lead response suggests that the Shiba Inu ecosystem's evolution involves more than just one token. The Shiba Inu team has been steadily expanding its ecosystem with multiple components, including the development of Shibarium, its layer 2 blockchain, Shiba Eternity, and expanding utility for SHIB, BONE, leash, and the upcoming treat. The Shiba Inu community eagerly awaits further details, which are expected to be revealed soon. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But keep watching to find out the latest Shiba Inu updates and what the future could hold for the Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu lead reacts as whale turns 10k in SHIB to 2.5 billion and continues to hold since launch. Bubble Maps, a surveillance resource that uses visual representations to analyze blockchain data, recently revealed the details of this whale's activity, dating back since the launch of Shiba Inu. The investor, initially purchasing SHIB during its launch phase in 2020, has managed to turn $10,000 worth of Ethereum into a staggering $2.5 billion. However, in an interesting development, the whale has held onto his holdings despite the astronomical gains. The Shiba Inu whale's entry point. Bubble Maps confirmed that Shiba Inu launched as a fair market cryptocurrency on July 31, 2020. During its early phase, the deployer's wallet held roughly 50% of the token's supply. Shortly after, a wallet address started accumulating SHIB tokens, according to on-chain data. Notably, between August and October 2020, the whale purchased 103 trillion SHIB tokens for just 38 Ethereum, worth $10,000 at the time. Remarkably, today, that initial $10,000 investment is worth over $2.5 billion, marking a jaw-dropping 250,000x return. Bubble Maps argued that this was one of the best investments in the crypto space. At one point during Shiba Inu's price surge, the value of these holdings peaked at $5 billion. However, instead of cashing out, the whale diversified his holdings across multiple wallets. This was likely a precautionary measure to enhance security and maintain privacy. Wallet splits and HODL culture. Meanwhile, in November 2021, the whale began distributing his holdings across 14 separate addresses. This move occurred shortly after Shiba Inu dropped from the 8,845 units peak in late October 2021. Bubble Maps first spotlighted the address in January 2023. However, shortly after the spotlight, the whale further dispersed the assets into 150 wallets. In September 2023, the surveillance platform claimed to have received an anonymous message from the supposed owner citing security risks. Notably, Bubble Maps stressed that this individual remains one of the most significant investors in the SHIB ecosystem, currently controlling around 10% of the token's total supply. Despite the volatility of the crypto market and numerous opportunities to sell at a profit, the whale has opted to hold onto his massive stake. Such commitment has triggered debates about who the investor is and his motivations. Shiba Inu lead responds. Shiba Inu lead developer Satoshi Kusama responded to the revelation with caution. Kusama emphasized that no one knows the identity of this whale. For context, some have claimed to own the wallets, while Bubble Maps previously suggested it could belong to Ryoshi, SHIB's anonymous founder. Kusama urged the community to be skeptical of anyone claiming to be an investor, unless there is verifiable proof through wallet activity. Now it's time for the main story of today's video. Almost 15 billion Shiba Inu in 24 hours. Are whales ready? With its price finding it difficult to hold onto recent highs, Shiba Inu has recently displayed indications of waning momentum. Notwithstanding the difficulties, on-chain data shows intriguing patterns that might portend a future rebound or additional drops. A staggering 14.84 trillion in transaction volumes were recorded by SHIB in the past 24 hours. Even though this amount is noteworthy, it is less than the most recent 7-day high of 21-23 trillion SHIB recorded on Nov 14, 2024. The data also shows a significant decline in whale activity, which was a major factor in Shiba Inu rallies in the past. This decline in significant transaction volumes raises the possibility that large holders are reducing their holdings, which could indicate market prudence. Near the 2,500 unit level, which served as resistance during the asset's most recent ascent, the price chart clearly displays a struggle. Now that it has retraced, SHIB is attempting to test the 2,400 unit support zone. This level may act as a launching pad for additional upward movement if it holds, but any break below it might trigger a more severe correction and perhaps a return to the 2,100 unit support range. A minor cool down from overbought territory is indicated by the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, which suggests less buying pressure. The observed decline in trading volume is consistent with this, and it may also indicate a decline in interest from individual investors. SHIB may still be in the game, though based on the on-chain activity. There is still potential for another breakout, given high transaction volumes and whale movements. In order to bring in fresh interest from institutional and retail players, SHIB would have to recover the 2,500 unit level and maintain a move above it. Although the situation now seems unclear, monitoring whale activity and important support levels will be essential to determining SHIB's course of action. Although the rally might be rekindled by a spike in volume and interest, cautious optimism is necessary for the time being. Many of our subscribers comment that they are not going to sell SHIB for the next 5 years and hold millions of them because they believe in the Shiba Inu developers and the real-world value of SHIB. How many are you guys holding? Don't forget to list your SHIB holdings in the comment section below. Let's praise the SHIB holder for trusting and believing in the process. If you are enjoying the video, then please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments your views on the Shiba Inu token. And make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video. But SHIB isn't the only project you should be looking into at the moment. I recently did a video on what could become the next Shiba Inu coin. Check out the video on screen to find out more. Thanks for watching.